Welcome to this video, the forensic process. Admit the chaos of a major data breach with missing customer data, rumors of insider, and intense pressure from all sides. Digital forensic investigators provide clarity. They avoid guesswork and instead follow a structured methodological process to uncover the truth, while ensuring the evidence remains credible and admissible. This disciplined approach is the backbone of any reliable digital investigation. In this video, we will discuss why the forensic process matters, how its four stages identify, acquire, analyze, and report are applied in practice, and what could go wrong if steps are skipped. You will also see how real-world cases are strengthened by strict adherence to this process. By the end of this video, learners will be able to describe the 5 key stages of the forensic process: identification, preservation, collection, analysis, and reporting. Explain why each stage is essential for maintaining the integrity and credibility of digital evidence. Differentiate between original evidence and forensic copies and understand why working on copies is critical. Recognize the importance of documentation and clear reporting in legal and organizational context. Apply the forensic process as a structured framework to guide investigation consistently and reliably. Why the forensic process exists. In cyber investigations, credibility is paramount. Evidence mishandled even accidentally can be dismissed in court or questioned by leadership. The digital forensic process exists to prevent this. It provides systematic, repeatable framework that ensures digital evidence is handled with the same rigorous care as physical evidence, making every finding defensible and trustworthy. The 4 core stages. Step 1, identification. The process begins with identification, where investigators locate all potential sources of evidence, such as servers, cloud storage, mobile devices, or printers. In an insider theft case, this could mean focusing on a suspect's workstation, email account, or USB access log. Defining the scope carefully is critical. Overlooking a single source could mean losing key evidence permanently. Identification sets the stage for everything that follows. Without the identification, risk chasing false leads or missing the whole story entirely exists. Step 2, acquisition. The next step is acquisition, collecting data by creating a bit-for-bit forensic image, an exact replica using specialized tools. The golden rule is to never analyze the original evidence. Instead, all examinations are done on this copy to prevent tampering and preserve integrity. Think of it like making a perfect mold of a fossil for study, safeguarding the original. This applies to imaging hard drives, USB sticks, or capturing a device memory. Every action is meticulously documented to maintain an unbroken chain of custody. Step 3, analysis. The third stage, analysis, is often the most intensive. Here, investigators dig deep into the forensic copies, piecing together digital clues to reconstruct what happened. Analysis may include recovering deleted or hidden files, reviewing system logs to determine who accessed what resources, tracing network traffic to follow attackers' movement, building a timeline that shows the sequence of events. For example, in a ransomware case, analysis might reveal that the attacker first gained entry via a phishing email, then escalated privileges, and finally deployed malware to log critical files. The analysis doesn't just show what occurred, it uncovers how and even why. This stage transforms scattered data points into a coherent story that investigators can stand behind with confidence. Step 4, reporting. The final and critical stage is reporting. A perfect investigation is worthless if its findings aren't communicated clearly. Forensic reports must be structured, concise, and translated for non-technical audience like executives, lawyers, or judges. A strong report details the methods, evidence, and conclusion and must withstand scrutiny in both the boardroom and the courtroom. Investigators often testify explaining complex findings in plain language. Reporting is the essential bridge that turns technical discovery into actionable decision. Why the process matters. Strict adherence to this forensic process is non-negotiable because it ensures that trust is built. Digital evidence is fragile. A single misstep can ruin its integrity. The process guarantees evidence is authentic, unaltered, and legally defensible. Furthermore, it ensures repeatability. Another expert following the same steps should reach the same conclusions. The consistency is what makes digital forensic credible, both legal and professional context. Case study: an insider data theft. A financial institution suspected an employee leaked spreadsheets to a competitor. Identification: targeted the employee's laptop, email, and USB access logs. Acquisition: created a forensic image of the laptop and the email server. Analysis: discovered files were copied to a USB drive late at night and emailed to a personal account. Reporting: compiled a clear timeline showing the link between the suspect and the theft. By following this process precisely, the evidence was defensible, allowing the organization to take decisive legal action. The digital forensic process is built on 4 critical stages: identifying, acquiring, analyzing, and reporting. This structured framework transforms raw data into trustworthy evidence. It's not just about technology, it's about building trust. Trust is the evidence authenticity, the investigation's thoroughness, and the ability to achieve justice without the process. Investigations are mere guesswork. With it, investigators uncover the truth with precision and credibility. In this video, we have learned the process ensures evidence is reliable, admissible, and untampered. Preserving original data and using forensic copies is essential for integrity. Meticulous documentation creates transparency and trust. This consistency is vital for success in both legal and corporate settings. Now that we have seen how investigators follow the forensic process, the next question is, what exactly are they looking for? In the next video, we will explore the various types of digital evidence, from files and logs to network traces and mobile data, and how each one helps piece together the digital puzzle.